but perhaps not the means, from not who are not from the big cities. If we need more filmmakers like that to be presented opportunities, what needs to change?
Your attitude, I think, you like kind of, we think lots of things.
Yeah.
We just too many things, and what you don't have. Just do it with whatever resources you have, and we are so privileged, I think, like kind of we can watch so many like movies nowadays. It is possible, and then we can make a movie mobile also in the like
True.
we can do anything. I'm traveling, I made this film in like 5D Mark II Canon, then the Bulbul can sing in Sony, but no one asked me. I travel so much with the film, no one asked me like which camera,
Correct.
That's quite interesting. And then one fine day, it was a local gathering. These children, it's a Bihu festival like Bohagi Bidai we call. So these children, they were performing like with this fake thermocol instruments, and they are like enjoying so much on the stage. I was surprised, like they don't have money to
Actually buy those instruments.
buy those instruments, but they are not sad. They're enjoying. They're like a rock like band. Then it inspired me. Then I started connecting with them, and then I started asking them. Mostly they are from like they are kind of a daily workers children. I started asking them what dream, that intrigued me, that they can dream, Then I started developing this story. That it doesn't matter, like people say they are poor, but I then I look back to when it was nothing there, when
True.
like people were in jungle. You cannot say that they are poor,
Right.
having money or materialistic things, it doesn't like
define you,
define
sure.
that
Yeah.
you rich or poor. I had the belief, and to achieve my vision, I thought I have to do it kind of alone, like, because I should have that complete freedom, otherwise it is not possible. So although it was very tough, the journey, it was not easy to handle everything alone. Yeah, it's like,
How big was the crew? I mean, it's you and you said your cousin, right?
that's it.
2 people.
Yes,
And you made a movie.
yes, I made a movie.
머리 싹 celebrated with Kunswai.